Hello student, how are you? I feel better. Welcome to our YouTube channel KRIDHU. Today we are going to read orthogonal trajectory. Orthogonal trajectory means what? Like orthogonal trajectory. Firstly, understand the word trajectory. Trajectory means a curve which cuts the every member of a given family of curve. Like we assumed this circular we assume the family of curve. That is x square plus y square equal to a square. A square. It is family of curve we taken. Nextly, what we doing? Y equal to x, that is a straight line. That is we taken a curve. Now this y equal to x curve is cutting each member of the family of circle. See, from here to here it directly going. So it is cutting every member of the circle family. Okay, so this is called a trajectory. Now if this straight line will cut the this circle family of curve at right angles, then it is known as the orthogonal trajectory. Here the definition are written. You can see if curve cuts each member of given family of curve in right angles, then it is called as orthogonal trajectory. This any given curve. Here we assume y equal to x means straight line. You can assume anything. It will cut the every member of a family of curve within right angle. Then it is known as orthogonal trajectory. Normally, if cutting means it is called as trajectory. Check the working rule or the solving procedure of orthogonal trajectory. So first step is we have to differentiate the given equation of family of curve, and we have to eliminate the parameter, I mean constant present in it, that we have to eliminate from the given family of curve equation, and we have to differentiate it. After differentiating, we are getting dy over dx now. That term we have to replace by minus dx over dy. This is our second step. Now third step is we have to solve the new differential equation, and we have to get the orthogonal trajectory. This from first step you understand. They given us one family of curve equation. Let me differentiate it. Then next what we have to do, if any constant present in it, that we have to simplify and remove. Second step means after differentiating the equation we getting dy over dx. We have to replace this dy over dx with minus dx over dy. This is our second step. In last step, we differentiate the first equation. In step first equation, that equation we have to solve and we have to get that orthogonal trajectory. There is only three steps to solve the orthogonal trajectory. Now we are going to check a problem based on the orthogonal trajectory. So the problem we taken is, here we taken the curve, family of curve is y equal to ax square. We will going to solve this. So firstly, as per our first step, first step is what? Differentiate the given equation of family of curve. So what we'll do here, we will solve the y equal to ax square by differentiating. So differentiation of y is what? Dy over dx, and ax square differentiation is 2ax. Simple. This is the second equation we taken. Now in the second step, what we have to do, eliminate the parameter of constant. If you see here, so here we are eliminating the parameter of constant. How? We have to keep the value of a something. So a, how we have to keep? So from here you can see, from this point, if we write a equal to, we can write y over x square. This we can write. Next, what we have to do, now we substituting that a value in the equation number second. So after substituting that, what we getting? Dy over dx equal to 2 into y over x square into x. So here this x and this square will get cut. So what we getting? 2y over x equal to dy over dx. Now as per our second step, we replacing dy over dx with minus dx be written after removing from, I mean replacing dy over dx with minus dx over dy. That is equal to 2y over x. Now we will cross multiply it. Then after cross multiplying, what we getting? Minus x dx equal to 2y dy. Now this 2y dy also be taking in other side. So that will be x dx plus 2y dy equal to 0. Now this equation we have to integrate. So now we're integrating this. So integration x dx plus integration 2y dy. So integration of x with respect to dx is what? X square by 2. Now integration of 2y dy 2y with respect to dy is what? 2y square over 2. So now this 2 and this 2 will get cut. So equal to b square, one constant we getting. So equal to x square by 2 plus y square equal to b square. Now this is not any family of curve. This we taken equation number 1. Now what we're doing? We are dividing the whole equation by b square to take out any family of curve. This is step we're doing. This is we dividing by equation first. So what will happen? X square by 2b square because divided by b square. Second y square by b square. Third b square by b square. Now here b square will cut. Here all other thing will remain same. So x square by 2b square y square by b square equal to 1. This we can write after the simplification. Now here 2b square be taken as a square, and so we can write this equation x square over a square plus y square over b square and equal to we can write b because b square will cut, so we get 1. So x square over b square plus y square over b square equal to 1. So this is the equation of ellipse. So this is our family of curve. Like this we have to solve the orthogonal trajectory. I think you understood. So like, share, subscribe, comment our video for more updates.